Hi students, today we are going to see about human heart. What is today our topic? Structure of human heart.
Heart is a muscular pumping organ. Heart is a muscular pumping organ, which means heart is made up of only muscles. There is no any bones. Pumping means they expand and contract. During that time, blood or push out through the arteries and veins. So, heart is a muscular pumping organ that pumps out the blood into the blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels. Already you have learned in 9th standard. Anyway, I recall you. There are three types of blood vessels. One, artery. Two, veins. And third one, capillaries. So, when heart pump the blood, they are moved through these blood vessels. Human heart is situated between the lungs. Where is human heart situated? Between the two lungs. Slightly tilted toward the left. So, heart pathina light left side move aayirukkum. That's why when where is heart situated, we are asking, we are answer heart is presented on left side. But they are slightly tilted toward the left. And above the diaphragm. Diaphragm means lungs க்கு கீழ இருக்கிற இந்த curve தான் diaphragm சொல்லுவோம். So the heart is located between two lungs above the diaphragm in chest cavity. Chest cavity means thoracic cavity. So once again shall I say, heart is a muscular pumping organ that pumps out the blood into the blood vessels. Human heart is situated between the lungs, slightly tilted toward the left and above the diaphragm in the thoracic cavity. The heart is made up of specialized type of muscle called cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle means these muscles are only present in the heart. They are involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles means we cannot control their functions. Next. External structure of heart. So, heart நோடிய வெளி side மட்டும் சொல்ல போறேன். The heart is enclosed in a double wall sac called pericardium. Heart சுத்தி ரெண்டு லேயர் இருக்கும். அது என்னன்னு சொல்லணும்? Pericardium. Pericardium contains lubricating pericardial fluid. Means pericardium sac is filled with one fluid. That fluid is called pericardial fluid. The pericardial fluid is used to protect the heart from mechanical injuries and reduces friction during heartbeat. The human heart is four chamber. Four chamber means first chamber right atrium, brown color la irukkiradhu rendum. So one right atrium, second chamber left atrium, third chamber right ventricle, fourth chamber left ventricle. Ventricles are red in color. So heart has four chamber. First one right atrium, second one left atrium, third one right ventricle and fourth one left ventricle. Atrium is otherwise called auricle. Atrium is singular, in plural atria. Atrium is otherwise called auricle. So I use atrium or auricles. இந்த ரெண்டு வேர்டு தான் நான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவேன். கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆக வேண்டாம். atriumனாலும் auriclesனாலும் சேம். So the human heart has four chamber. The two upper. Where is atrium? Upside. Where is ventricle? Lower side. The two upper thin wall chamber of the heart is called auricle or atria, and the two lower thick wall chambers are called ventricles. So to upper layer is called right atrium, to lower chamber is called ventricles. The chambers are separated by partition called septum. Septum means, see, right ஏற்றியத்துக்கும் left ஏற்றியத்துக்கும் நடுவுல கேப் எல்லோ கலர் வருதா, இதான் செப்டம். see, ரைட் வென்ட்ரிக்கலுக்கும் லெஃப்ட் வென்ட்ரிக்கலுக்கும் நடுவுல ஒரு எல்லோ கலர் வருதா, இந்த பார்ட்டிஷன் தான் செப்டம். so this two atrium or two auricles are separated by a partition called septum. Likewise, these two ventricles are separated by one partition that is called septum. See this side, auricles and ventricles also separated by septum. The two auricles are separated from each other by interatrial septum. இந்த ரெண்டு ஏற்றியத்தையும் பிரிக்கிறது யாரு? interatrial septum. interatrial septum. So the two auricles are separated by interatrial septum. The left atrium. எப்பவுமே நம்ம ஹார்ட்டுக்கு பார்ட்ஸ் எழுதும் போது நமக்கு ரைட் சைடுனா ஹார்ட்டுக்கு லெஃப்ட் சைடு சொல்லணும், ஹார்ட்டுக்கு ரைட் சைடுனா நமக்கு லெஃப்ட் சைடு. So the left atrium is smaller than right atrium. See, left atrium small size compared with the right atrium. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body through the main veins, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and pulmonary veins. So the right atriumக்கு blood எப்படி வருதுன்னா superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and pulmonary veins. Next, the pulmonary veins bring oxygenated blood to the left atrium. Pulmonary veins bring oxygenated blood to left atrium. The right and left auricles pump blood into the right and left ventricle. அதாவது ரைட் ஏட்ரியம் அதுங்கிட்ட இருக்க பிளட்டை ரைட் வென்ட்ரிக்கல் கிட்ட சென்ட் பண்ணோம், லெஃப்ட் ஏட்ரியம் பிளட்டை லெஃப்ட் வென்ட்ரிக்கல் சென்ட் பண்ணோம். அதுதான் the right and left auricle pump blood into the right and left ventricles. Next, the ventricles form the lower part of the heart. The two ventricles are separated each other by an interventricular septum. இந்த ரெண்டு வென்ட்ரிக்கலையும் பிரிக்கிற இந்த பார்ட்டிஷன் நேம் interventricular septum. The left and right ventricles have thick walls because the ventricles have to pump out blood with force away from the heart. From the right ventricle arises the pulmonary trunk. So the right ventricle இருந்து ஒரு pulmonary trunk form ஆகும். Pulmonary trunk means pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery means right side and left side. So from the right ventricle arises the pulmonary trunk, which fabricates to form right and left pulmonary arteries. The right and left pulmonary arteries supply deoxygenated blood to the lungs of the respective side. The left ventricle is longer and narrower than the right ventricle. The walls are about 3 times thicker than the right ventricle. The left ventricle gives rise to aorta. Right ventricle rise to aorta. Left ventricle gives rise to pulmonary artery. The oxygenated blood is supplied by aorta to other organs of the body from left side. The coronary arteries supply blood to the heart. Next, we are going to see about valves. Can you see two types of valves here? Tricuspid valve and mitral valve. Another name, bicuspid valve. And one more valve also there, semilunar valve. Shall we see about valves? See, in this picture we can see clearly valves. Valve spelling VALVES, valves. Valves are the muscular flaps that regulate flow of blood in a single direction and prevent backflow of blood. The heart contains three types of valves. 1. Right atrioventricular valve or tricuspid valve. Second, left atrioventricular valve or bicuspid valve or mitral valve. Third one, semilunar valve. First one, right atrioventricular valve or tricuspid valve. It is located. நீங்க நேம் பார்த்தே ஆன்சர் பண்ணிடலாம். Right atrioventricular valve is located between right auricle and right ventricle. It has three thin triangular leaf-like flaps. 1, 2, 3. So it has three thin triangular leaf-like flaps. Therefore, they are called tricuspid valve or right atrioventricular valve. Second type of valve, left atrioventricular valve. It is located between the left auricle and left ventricle. Left side la dhaan irukku auricle ventricle. So left atrioventricular valve located between left auricle and left ventricle. It has two cusps. 1, 2. So this valve has two cusps. Therefore, they are called bicuspid valve or mitral valve. Third valve, semilunar valve. They are major arteries, means pulmonary artery and aorta, which leave the heart have semilunar valves, which prevent backward flow of blood into the ventricles. They are the pulmonary and aortic semilunar valves. So valves are over. In this picture, you can see clearly auricles, ventricles, valves. Three valves are there. Septum also present between two ventricles. One septum is ventricular septum, auricular septum. Pericardium is layer. Have you seen clearly original picture? Thank you, students.